Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome again, guys. Now, in this video lecture, we are going to talk about the sign and symptom of the chikungunya disease. In the previous video lecture, we talked about introduction, epidemiology, treatment, prevention, and some other topics related to chikungunya. Okay. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about sign and symptoms. Usually, in the first week of this disease, the main sign and symptom is the fever and headache. So, this disease are actually asymptomatic. 25% this disease are asymptomatic. Okay. It means that 25% there's no symptoms in this disease, and the remaining percent they may be means this disease may have the symptoms. So if we talked about the symptoms, so we have two types of the symptoms in this disease. We have frequent symptoms, frequent long-term symptoms. Okay, now in this case we have usually frequently the frequent symptom, sign and symptom of this disease are cardiac problem, intestinal problem, or we can say gastrointestinal problem, neurological problem, problems, and so these are the frequent sign and symptoms of this disease. Now if we talked about the long-term sign and symptom of this disease, so we have arthritis, inflammation of the joint, or we can say pain in the joint, or we can say arthralgia. Okay, now then we have alopecia, fatigue, lost memory, we have a vision problem, we have skin rashes, sleep disorder, okay. Now these are the long-term sign and symptom of this disease. In this chikungunya disease, we have also arthralgia. Let me write gia. Now in arthralgia, what actually happened? Arthralgia is that case in which there is a pain in one joints or in more joints. Okay, and when you have pain in one or maybe present in the ankle, knees, small hand area, means small area of the hand, small area of the hand, and usually we have a wrist, means at that position. So at that position, small area of the hand, knees, ankle, these are where the joints are present, so then they may cause arthralgia. Arthralgia is that condition in which the pain is present in one joint or more joints, okay, usually at that area of our body. We have also muscle pain, we have also and headache. Okay, so these are the main sign and symptoms of this disease. So I hope you get the idea about the sign and symptom of the chikungunya. Inshallah, in the next video lecture, we are going to talk about the diagnosis of the chikungunya, as well as we are going to talk about the life cycle of the chikungunya disease. Thank you so much for watching this video.